Hi, welcome to BRC Smart Edu channel and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for future videos. So today we are going to look after class 10 maths formula revision. So there we are going to just see about three chapters. Okay. Initially we will be talking about statistics, then we move for quadratic equation, then some implications of trigonometry. So we will be completely dealing with very important formulas for your board exam. Okay, just recall our important formulas. So now entering into these statistics. So the very most important formula for statistics is what we are going to discuss here. Okay, so first we are going to discuss mean. Okay, so we can find the mean by direct method. We can find the mean by direct method. Okay, so what is the formula for finding the mean by direct method? Is going to be your x bar is equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi, right? This symbol represents summation. Summation in the sense you will add all the frequency, right? You will add all the frequency and right here you will find the multiplication of frequency and your class interval and then you will just add that. That is what this formula states. Then you will use the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. So what is all about assumed mean method? In assumed mean method we will be having your x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. Okay, here your di is equal to xi minus a. Your di is equal to xi minus a. Clear? This is your assumed mean method. Okay. So how would you find the class interval? That is important, right? How do you find the class interval? So you can find the class interval. That is, see, you will be given with the class interval. For example, your class interval will be given in the question itself. 10 to 20 is your class interval. So they will be giving like this. 20 to 30 is your class interval. So these are your class intervals. From there you will find the class mark, right? You will find the xi. From there you will find the xi, that is class mark. So your class mark xi is equal to lower limit plus upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit divided, the whole term divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit, the whole term is divided by 2. Got that? Right. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to see the next part. Okay, we are going to see the next part. So in the statistics, so now we saw that direct method, assumed mean method. Now next one is mode. I am moving for mode. Okay. So mode, how can I find mode? So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So this formula is very important into H. Okay, this formula is really important to remember. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then your median. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into H. So this is your median. Later, the very most important formula is what I am going to write now. the most important formula. Okay, mark it as the most important formula. The formula is 3 median. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So in the question, they will be giving you the median, they will be giving you the mode, or they will be asking you to find the mean. Any one of the thing they will be giving, two of the thing you have to find the rest. Either mean or mode will be given, you have to find the median. So you can interchange the formula and you can find the answer. Okay. So this one is for statistics. So these are the very important, very most important formulas that you have to know for statistics. Now let us move for quadratic equation. So under quadratic equation, the first important formula that we are going to learn is a plus b whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Very common formula, very important formula also. Next, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Next, third most important formula is x plus a into x plus b. X plus b. X plus a into x plus b. One second. X plus a into x plus b. Your x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, right, this is your formula. Then your fourth most important formula is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? A plus b into a minus b. Then your fifth most important formula is a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. Your a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. Right? Then one more important formula is, it is common formula that we use in most of the cases. We use this formula, and this formula is really important even in your science point of view. Okay, they say that seventh formula I am writing here. We say speed, right? We say speed. So speed is equal to, tell me what is speed is equal to? Speed is equal to distance. Distance by time. This is the most very much important formula that you use for maths as well as your physics part of you. Okay, there also you will use this formula, right? You can interchange and write this, right? Speed is equal to distance by time. You can also interchange and write distance is equal to speed into time. Like this, distance is equal to speed into time. Like this also you can interchange and write this formula. If you need time, how can you interchange and write this formula? If you need time, you can write it as time is equal to distance into speed. You can interchange your formula as per your need. So this is also very important formula. Okay. And now we are moving to most important and common formula that we use for finding the quadratic equation. Okay. So we mostly find the quadratic equation by factorizing method, right? We use, what are the methods that we use for finding the quadratic equation? We use quadratic equation to find the factorization method, right? Factorization method, not only factorization method, we also use formula method, right? We also use formula method to find the answer. So if we are supposed to use the formula method, what is that formula method? That is what I am going to tell now. Your formula method is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by divided by 2a. This is really important formula where your square root of b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Is called as discriminant. Okay, discriminant, and when your discriminant is greater than 0, then real values exist. Okay, real values exist. When your discriminant is less than 0, no real values exist. No real values exist. Okay. Here real values exist, but the answers you will get, actually quadratic equation means you will get two solutions, right? X is equal to two solutions you will get. So real and two different solutions you will get. Two different solutions you will get. Okay. If your D is equal to 0, that is your discriminant is equal to 0, you will get real values, but that too you will get the same values. Both the values that you get will be of same type. Clear? Right. So based on the quadratic equation only, you can determine the value of A, B and C. Okay. From the quadratic equation, you are determining the value of A, B and C. Clear? This is a very important formula you can use for finding the quadratic equation, solving the quadratic equation. Right? Now, moving on to some applications of trigonometry. This is very easiest part where you can score more marks. Okay. So, very less amount of formulas you can have here. Okay. So, let's go for some applications of trigonometry. Here the most important formula is sine theta. What is your sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is your cos theta? What is your cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. And what is your tan theta? Your tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite by adjacent. And these three are really important to remember. Now, I am going to fill the tabular column where you have to remember few values. That is also important. That values are really important for you to remember, right? So, initially here, you can have your sine theta, cos theta and your tan theta, okay? And here I am going to have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, right? So you are going to fill the tabular column. You are going to fill the tabular column. So listen, just carefully listen how I am filling the tabular column. Sine 0 degree is 0. Okay. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Right? So, here I am going to give you a tip, which is when you are going to find the cos theta, you just reverse your sin theta and write the values. So, you will easily, you can get the cos value, right? So, sin value is sin 0 degree, 30 degree, we got 1 by 2, 45 degree is 1 by root 2, 60 degree is root 3 by 2, 90 degree is 1. Just reverse it. Okay, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is 0. Just you are reversing the values. Now you know that your tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So when your sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1 is what? 0, right? Similarly 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, root 3. Right? Then 1 by 0. Anything you are dividing it by 0, the value is not defined or infinity. Here I am stating infinity. You can also write it as not defined. Okay, you can also write it as not defined. The value is not defined. Okay. So this tabular column is really important to remember. Okay. Based on this tabular column only, you will solve the problems. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll be coming up with more videos, more formula videos. So for that, if you want to watch our future videos, you have to subscribe our channel and click the bell button for notification. If you like this video, kindly like it. Thank you for watching.